Okay, so today we're gonna have asparagus, steak, mushrooms, and I'm gonna cut up this onion. So as you see, 4 ingredients to make this prep super easy. So I wanted a little bit of an Asian taste. So I'm only gonna have about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I am using this extra virgin olive oil, and I just got this from Aldi's. I just prefer the extra virgin olive oil because I find that it gives my food a little bit of a great taste. So I have my asparagus, my onion, and my bella mushrooms all washed, and I'm gonna add my beef steak, and basically I'm gonna cook the onions first, then the asparagus, and add the onion and the meat last. The only seasoning that I'm gonna use is Flavor Garlic Lovers, and I'm only gonna use just a bit of this Creole seasoning. I'm trying to really watch my sodium, so these are the only 2 seasonings that I'm gonna use. So obviously I use a lot more vegetables than I do my protein. Let me tell you why. Your mushroom and your asparagus are high volume, low calorie vegetables. These are the things that are full of nutrients, but it's going to keep you full. That is Miss B's weight loss tip. Eat lots of vegetables in order to make you feel full and satisfied when you have your meal. This does not look amazing. I love the way healthy food looks in a pan. And you guys know I love to make things that are super easy and quick. And I just wanted this combination. So we're gonna add the steak in just a minute. Okay, so I just added the steak. Doesn't this look amazing? So if you were gonna meal prep this can easily make 3 to 4 meals. And you can even add maybe a 1/3 or a 1/2 cup of brown rice, cauliflower rice, or even jasmine rice and make this a complete meal for the week. So I'm gonna let this cook maybe about 25 minutes just until everything kind of tastes good and looks great together. And here we have it, guys. This dish is complete, easy, simple. If you enjoy this super simple meal prep video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and a like so I know that you want more videos like this from me. Thanks. Have a great day.